What's up, everyone? I'm in Harrison Ranch today. This is the gated villa community portion, new listing that we just took. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got 1,696 square feet under air. Let's go inside. This was built in 2007. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath attached villa, gated community. This is the office or den area. Your formal dining room section. Updated granite countertops in here. Newer appliances. Seating area in the breakfast area. This is a 20-foot lanai area. That's great for sitting out and enjoying the weather, having dinner in the evenings with your glass of wine, or having a cup of coffee first thing in the morning to start your day. Nice and quiet out. Large lanai area. We're in Harrison Ranch. The amenities in this community are fantastic. Awesome open floor plan, light and bright, lots of natural light that comes in. We've got a breakfast bar area. Harrison Ranch is a very active community, has lots of amenities. It's got a fitness center, a large Olympic style pool, a lifestyle director. They do card nights, movie nights. Here's the guest bathroom. Granite countertops in the guest bathroom. The guest bedroom here. There's walking trails in this community as well. You've got an inside laundry room area coming in from the 2-car garage. This is the master bedroom. Look at the size of the window that's on this wall here. Lots of light coming in, natural light. Dual sinks in the master bath. Your water closet. You've got a stand-up shower. Check out the size of this walk-in closet. Awesome, lots of space to put your belongings in. This is a gated community, so you've got that extra bonus of security for if you're not here. Maybe it's a second home for you or a vacation home. Here's a community pool for Normandy East and Normandy West in Harrison Ranch. It's going to be a more private pool. Not going to be a lot of people around because it is only for the use of the Normandy East and Normandy West residents. Alright, now we're up to the clubhouse for Harrison Ranch. Do a lot of activities inside. There's a ginormous pool out back. Tennis courts, playground for the kids, a fitness center, lifestyle activities director. So this is an excellent community for the amenities that are offered. Listen to the birds. Picnic tables, each one with its own grill. So you can have those family events.